Hello there. Are we live? Check 1 2 1 2 2 1 2. Yeah, we are live. Nice.
Stream Elements says
Yep,
Yadas is now
yep.
live.
Yep.
Streaming software and game development. Game dev, upgrading our player animation.
Yes. All right. So, here's a quick recap what happened yesterday. We played around with the playables, made it work for the attack animation. And then I went and tried out the Animancer library or asset, whatever you want to call it. And it went by so fast. Like I could do so much more in my time with Animancer than with playables that I bought it today basically and added it to the project. And now I'm just gonna set up everything, I guess. Take a look at all the animations we need to do and try to clean up our code so that this can be used easier. Okay, I also added the samples project in here, which contains some samples, as you can see here. So if I, for example, need like a sample for, where is it? Sprites, right? Like for example, the directional character, right? I can look into this here. This is just a, I don't need the scene though. I just want environment, found, create. Okay, this is like a whole project. It's good to know. And here he has the directions: idle, climb, push, run, talk, walk. Okay. And this is the character script. What's this? This is just documentation. Okay. And that's this is the scene. We can take a look at it quick. All right. Yeah, pretty cool. Right. Pirate? Does pirate work? Doesn't look like pirate is working. Am I too zoomed in? A little bit. Yeah, I think the UI is not working anymore. Project too old, maybe. But that doesn't matter, because I just want it as an example. Farm element. That is the one we need. Loading. There it is. Let me just press play so the error gets removed. All right. And I want to copy the, why the fuck is this here? Animancer settings. Why is this here? Is this mine? Did it get it? Did it get created here? God dang it. Yeah, that looks like mine. Okay, give me a sec. Scripts. I'm gonna put it in here for now. We need to clean this up a little bit. Getting a little bit, I don't wanna say dirty, but I can't read what is what, you know. I have to, it's kind of hard to read which script is what, so it makes sense to put them all in folders and then make it a little bit better handleable, I guess. But I won't do this right now. Right now I just want to make the animations work through Animancer. And when we're done with that, we can take a look at merging some of the scripts that use animations already. So it's a bit more clean that way. All right. So let me think. First things first. Let me try and add the Dutch roll real quick. I just want to see it again because yesterday I couldn't make it to work because I didn't know how to stop the animation basically. Also, we could maybe not make it loopable. Maybe that will fix it. I don't know. We'll see. This is basically it. No, I think it's because it's in here with the movement, right? Facing, movement input. We need this facing. Wait, why isn't the idle? Oh, the idle remembers it from the last time. That makes sense. All right, then we need to have the is rolling in here, actually. Oh, wait, maybe we don't. Let me think. When I press rolling, what should happen? Actually, like, not right now, not in the current state of the game, but in the future, when I press rolling, should the character move away? Or should he be able to roll on the spot? And I think it should be able to roll away, right? There should be like a push in some way. Like a force push, maybe, yeah. Okay, let me think. So it can even dodge, you know, but otherwise it just makes the animation, but you don't actually move forward. So because of that logic, I'd say you don't need the movement input. Maybe for facing, sure, but not for playing the animation. So let me just understand how this animation works. Basically, if you don't move, play the idles, right? I'll rename these real quick. I don't like it. It should be like this. Same goes for this. I don't know if I like that it's multiple. I think I would name it differently. I would maybe name it movement set, like a walking set, running set, idle set, something like that. All right. Let's think in a animation aspect, right? Should you be able to idle an attack? Yes. Should you be able to run an attack? Yes. Should you be able to walk an attack? Yes. Should you be able to run an attack? No. And not run, dodge. The dodging should override everything. Like, right? Because attacking can be a blend. Rolling can't. Rolling should be a thing of its own that overrides everything. So I still think this should be if is rolling, we should play this. And everything else comes afterwards. You could also do it this way. Nah, wait a sec. If is rolling, right? You still want to check the movement input, I think. But you don't want to play these down here because they're already doing this up here. Same goes for this one. Pooh. Maybe we switch it up. We will do it like this. I think. We will do it like this. That way this is being set every time, right? Only if it's not 0, basically, right? That way I can remove this. And we can make the running stuff in here. And you can do it like this now. And that way these This is like a fixed state machine. You can only be in one of these states, right? You can't be in multiple. That makes it cleaner, I think. Right? We think. Basically, if I'm already rolling, then I'm done. Don't do anything, right? But if I'm not rolling and I'm moving, do either this or that, depending if I run or not. And if I'm not moving, then I'm idling. This one should be the last one always. I think that's maybe the way to do it. See. Let's see if I understood that correctly. Where is it? So, I mean, I guess I did, because now I can turn around, right? I can turn the direction I'm rolling. The only issue I'm having is he doesn't stop rolling. So next thing I'm gonna check out is if it helps if the character animation clip is set to not to loop. Basically like this. Can I mark all of them and then yes, okay. You know? The other ones are set to loopable. Right? So I don't really understand why is the dodging not stopping? It should stop, right? Why is my movement is stopping because I know my movement is stopping because I'm stopping moving, and idling is the backup. Idle always plays basically, so it makes sense. They are all looping, I think. We'll see what happens if I press play here. Almost, almost. It's playing once, but that's not what I wanted. I need something that resets the rolling, basically. Right? Need to think real quick. Basically, I need like an event that triggers my is rolling after it's finished. The question is, are there any events in these samples that I can take a look at? Let's see. Basics, fine control, mixes, layers, events. Hello there. Events, let's go. Golf events. What's golf events? What is a golf event? Oh no. Wait, I didn't let go. Left click swing. Sure. How does it work? Documentation. I like that he put in links in every folder, and it just points to the documentation website. So let's take a look here. What's happening? After transitions. Pro only features. How to run a function at a specific time during animation. How to use. Wait, what's with the transitions? Let me check transitions real quick. That's just smoothing or blending, right? Wait. Mensa state. I mean, I guess you could maybe use states instead. Maybe work with states, maybe. State, play. This is not what I wanted. Let me take a look at the directional character here. Here. Meters per second. Okay, this is just the walk speed, run speed. Elements are. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Come back. Idle, run, push. Also climb. I think he had it climb, right? Animation group. Other movement. Oh, makes sense. So movement should be idling, I guess. Idling, running, and walking. Correct? If I understand that correctly. The animation group other. I guess no. Because he put idle in under other. So it's just running and walking. Pushing too. Oh yeah, because it's pushing is also movement. Sure, makes sense. But where does he just defines it here, right? Just an enum. And that's about it, okay. Pacing is movement, current animation sets, map. Where does he set up which animation is played, basically? He's playing the animations, animation group movement. Left shift hold is run. Otherwise it's walk. So he just says, if you're holding left shift, play the run animations, otherwise play the walk animation. That's what this means. This one, on the other hand, checks if there's a collision. And if there is a collision, then he plays the push animation set. All right. Let me just check real quick what the newest version of this looks like. Animancer sample sprites directional. Why is it like a wait a second? Three-directional character for sprites. Oh, maybe we should do it real quick. Yeah, it's the same ones. Close this. Kind of want to just check it out real quick. Oh, I see. It's a it's a sprite in a 3D space. Okay. So this is also possible, but I don't want that. But I want to take a look at this. So, okay, there was no climb. Where did I see the climb thing? But anyway, pacing. So once he awakes, he loads the idle animation. He updates the value, then he updates the movement state. He only does that for movement. For idling, he just plays idle. So only if he's moving. Update movement state does what? That's what I said earlier. It checks for the collisions. If he's colliding, he plays the push animation. Otherwise, he loads the run or walk animation, yeah, and then plays that animation. Okay. Linear velocity. Interesting. I like that he supports both the newer version and the older version. So they made changes. They renamed it from velocity to linear velocity. Interesting. All right, all right. 1,214 files. Let me just see if so the meta file changed and stuff. That's good. Yeah, the demeter files changed. Okay. I'm gonna push this real quick. I didn't do nothing yet, but maybe let me remove this first. Wait, didn't I save it? No, I didn't. Do I want to save it? I have the same issue still, you know? Thinking. Still have the same issues with the event. But I will commit this like this now. Add Animancer profiles. I don't want to preview it. Push it. Why aren't the version files in there? Oh, I know why. Add to VCS. All right, done so. All right. Still, events might be good. Let me open up the thing again. Let me see the events there. No, you said it. Ah. What is swing? Swing is a clip transition. Oh. And you can set events to it and set callback. Ball hit. And once ball hit is done, on end, I guess, you say play ready. Play ready does what? It just sets the Animancer to play ready. All right. On end is basically the function that you need to call back. Okay, so I will try the following. I don't know if it works, but I'll try. If it doesn't, then I'm not going to use the transitions. Instead, I will take a look at the roads, at this one. And maybe you could do something like, wait, he did set it up in the awake function, right? So Do I have an awake here? On awake somewhere? No. There's no on awake. Dang it. This is not. I thought it would be. Okay. Let me just copy it real quick. That way I don't have to remember how to set this up. Like this. Underscore swing is wrong. I want underscore rolls. And it looks like it doesn't have events. So this won't work that way. So I will need transitions. This kind of ass. But I get it. Okay. All right. So we need a transition, basically. Is there a... Let me think. I wonder if you can... There's an end event. But there is no end event for the... Right? Are there transitions in here? No. End event? No, also nope. All right. I was hoping that there might be something here, but it looks like that is not the case. All right. Let's try the transitions. And I might need to... I don't think this would be able to do this. Maybe you can do it differently. Maybe... Wait a sec. Is that possible? Can I... Instead of saying roads, can I do get... for example... Direction down? Does that work? Can I here get an event? That possible? There are events here. Why is it not create nested type? Cannot resolve events. Why not? Is it because it's lowercase? Why would you make it
Prod
lowercase?
F1 shy says prod F1 shy says prod F1 shy says prod F1 shy says prod F1 shy says hi.
Hey fishy.
Prod F1 shy says heya.
Okay. Yeah, I get that. I get the TTS now. I get it.
Prod F1 shy
annoying.
says lol.
It is kind of annoying. I give you that. Trying to set up events that get fired once animation gets completed. But this is not
Prod F1 shy says
I'm
I'm still so tempted to do SMTH, but I'm not evil. P.
Okay. Please don't do it. I don't know what it is, but I don't want to find out, you know? I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. All right. So this is not how it works.
Prod F1 shy says it's just spamming characters.
I see. Yeah, don't do it, please. I have a skip message button, but I don't want to go for the hassle. I don't want to handle that. So I would need to do this differently. Is there a... No, there is not, right? I cannot do like this. Yeah, the on end doesn't exist.
Prod F1 shy says bro, this app is killing me, in all caps.
And you get timed out for some reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna take a look into it. Why did that happen? Why is it not even showing to me? Why? I hate it. I hate this thing. I'm sorry, my dude. Give me a sec. Untimeout. There you go. I wonder why
Prod
it
F1
did
Shy
that.
says hi.
Hi. I wonder why it did that.
Prod F1 Shy says it's probably cause I said it in all caps.
Oh, yeah, that can be. That can be. Let me see real quick. Chatbot. Yeah, there's a caps protection. I'm a
Prod
deactivate that
F1
one.
Shy says you need to turn that off in Stream Elements.
Yeah, I did. All right.
Prod F1 Shy says bet. Prod F1 Shy says caps time. P.
Yeah, caps time. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna see how far I got for now. Not that far, but a little bit. It's a little bit into the right direction. Where is it? Is it this one?
Prod F1 Shy says bro so.
I can walk in all directions.
Prod F1 Shy says I'm trying to get payments into my app.
Oh, is it hard? Like probably some kind of. Are you trying to get some kind of ads in there?
Prod F1 Shy says YESSSS
Yes,
SSSSSS.
I never did that. Like in none of my things that I programmed, there was a need for ads. Mostly because the things that I programmed were used internally.
Prod
by the
F1
company.
Shy says no ads.
Oh, no ads.
Prod F1 Shy says an in-app currency.
Oh, I see. All right. But
Prod
as you can
F1
see,
Shy says users can use to boost posts.
users can use to boost posts. Ah, I see. Sounds interesting.
Prod F1 Shy says and get used to buy cosmetics.
Cosmetics are very important in our age, in this day and age.
Prod F1 Shy says and then be put on global or national leaderboards.
I see. Sounds a little bit like pay to win, but in a chat kind of way. Is it like, I guess if you make the app currency also obtainable through using the app or something, then it would be fine, I think. Then it's not really pay to win. Alrighty. Okay.
Prod F1 Shy says it's Discord Nitro basically, but you can boost posts and then by boosting posts you get put on the author of that post's profile leaderboard.
I see. Sounds interesting. Yeah, that sounds actually fun.
Prod F1 Shy says and yes you can get the in-app currency by completing daily quests in the app.
That's cool.
Prod F1 Shy says or liking a certain amount of posts.
I see. Alrighty. I'm trying to, I don't know if I showed you. I'm trying to make the roll animation reset to idle, because right now the is rolling is still being set in the character and it doesn't get reset. trying to fix that by sending an event that gets played when animation ends. So far,
Prod F1 Shy says or HV a weekly goal of like make X amount of posts or get X amount of followers in a week from these posts. Prod F1 Shy says or SM Tach.
yeah.
Prod
that
F1
also
Shy
sounds
says like that.
interesting. Yeah, that sounds interesting. You could maybe even make like an achievement system. Like once you reach X amount of likes or X amount of followers, something like that. Or once you follow X amount of people, then it doesn't need to be weekly, you know. You could just
Prod F1 Shy says like Twitch achievements.
Yeah, like that, for example. All right. Losing track a little bit here. Oh yeah, I wanted
Prod
to
F1 Shy says when
revert my
you get a
last
certain
change.
amount of followers you can get a badge next to your profile.
Oh, all right. That's what I wanted to do because I tested with loop time. And that did not help because it's in the blend tree. The problem is here. This is never set back. And I don't know, I understand really why it's not being set back. Run is being set back. Running is being toggled on and off. Instantly. Dodging is not for some reason. That's why I added this coroutine in here to stop dodging. But this is bad. I'd rather have it through an animation event. So maybe I'll do that now. But I'm still trying to understand why.
Prod F1 Shy says
This
or like
behaves
YK how on
differently.
Twitch you get a badge for donoing bits. You can get a badge if you're the global or national top donor for that month or SMTH. Prod F1 Shy says IDK. Prod F1 Shy says JS Ideas Chat.
I'd like to know how on Twitch you get a badge for donating bits. Yeah, maybe. That might also work. Maybe you get it if you're a top donor, yeah. That sounds like a possible way to do it as well. But yeah, like you said, it's ideas I think you need to test it out, like make a small one of these, right? Just implement one of these and
Prod
test it out how
F1
it
Shy
feels.
says then like Discord Nitro you get PFP cosmetics.
That's cool. I like that in Discord. These little cosmetics, they don't do much, but it's kind of nice to customize your profile or your avatar, whatever. Let me turn off these Steam notifications. I thought I already... Okay, I think now it should be correctly set up. Okay, I thought I already set up that correctly, but I guess not. Alright, let's think. For some reason, this one works. Maybe it's because of the... Nah, that can't be it. And this one isn't. This one's not being updated correctly, and I don't understand why. Change dodge, change run. And both of them are in the control. Dodge, ran. Player dodge is a boolean, player ran is a boolean. They both should have... Where's run? Down here somewhere? Just put this higher so I can check. They look the same. Both of them void, input value, controls enabled, return, player ran, player dodge is pressed. Looks the same to me. Let me check the controls or the inputs. Run and the dodge. Shift. Press and release default. Press and release. Press only. Huh. Maybe that's it. Press and release. Trigger behavior. I wanted, yeah, I want both of them actually. I mean, I think this is it. That's the issue. Let me see. Okay. It's kind of ass though. Because now it instant resets it. You know, I have to hold it. I think the other way it's better. Play it, and then when it's finished, you have an event that calls it back. And then that way it's cleaner, I think. Otherwise, now I would need to have like a tracker that tells me when the animation. I mean, I could even do an event, I guess. But still, I think that would be better. So I will do this with press only. Up here like this as well. It doesn't say here, okay. All right. I guess you can add the interactions. Press release only. All right, I think this is okay. Now. Now we need to enable the events. And have this example here for that, I think. No, it's not this one. It's the, was it? Did I open it in the, yes, I did. There's an end event here. And the problem was that I cannot do these events on the clip. I need to have a transition, I think. Swing is a transition. Clip transition. And there's a clip transition for ready. So he sets the callback here, hit event name ball hit. Ball is a golf ball. Golf ball. Golf ball just gets launched basically somewhere. Not an animation or something. So events on event he plays play ready. He says play is ready here. If ball is ready to hit, and you click left mouse. So basically if the ball, check up here, ready to hit. No. Ready to hit is a Boolean. If the rigid body is kinematic, okay. So it just plays the swing transition. And the swing transition is just a queue of animations, I guess, or events. I didn't want to click that. Go back. So play ready. Plays ready, then you play swing. And swing, what does ready do? Ready, play ready. Why is there, oh, I see. Animensa play ready. It just plays, this is an animation as well, I guess, transition. And the swing one just gets a callback. It calls hit. Swing reference hit. It just calls the ball. And once the animation or the transition ends, then he goes back to play ready. And I need this. And set callback. Play. Update. Play swing. This one just starts the transition. Yes. it starts the transition. Okay, so basically, I need a transition for dodging. Instead of saying play roll, I say play rolling transition, basically. I set the callback, I guess, to the direction set, if that is even possible. I don't know. We'll find out. And on and, I will say play idle. Oh no, play idle is bad. I need to, fuck. I need to set it to, I need like a method that checks if it's idling, moving, or running. Stuff like that. Okay, this is kind of complicated. But let me just try it out. So basically, I need a clip transition first. Maybe there's even like a directional set transition. Let me see. I don't think so. Also, I wanted to see if I can do this now. Is that possible? Can you do it like this now? Or does this break it? Yeah, it doesn't do that. But maybe there isn't. No, it doesn't look like it's an interface. Okay. So back to this. Clip transition swing. Both swing. So I guess clip transition. Let me just check something. Is there maybe even a better event? Sample events. Footstep event. Or is it always? An anniversary event. Add to. Why is this so complicated? Why? What's the difference between animation events and rather end events? Wait. Yeah, I know this coroutine shit. This is not what I want to do. Yield return state. Hey, that's actually interesting. I didn't know you can remember the state. Manual polling also seems. I like this one in a way, but I don't even see what he's doing here. Ah, because he has a serializable field for that. Okay. I see, I see. Oh, it's a wait, there's a state for this. Oh. State events this. Out Animancer event sequence. Let's see. I see. I think I understand now. So let me try. Basically, we have the. Where's the dodging? Where are we dodging? I think this. Trying to think here. Yeah, basically we can just, instead of saying play here, we can say Animancer state equals. Why does this not work? What does playing do? Playing does this. I see. I guess I could make like a custom method for dodge, and that way I have more control over it. I'm gonna do that real quick. So play dodge, I guess, or play roll, whatever. I don't really need this one right now. I'm gonna leave it like this, but it's not necessary. And what you do instead then is do this, I guess. And here it should be able to do that. Animation, no, not animation. Animancer dot Animancer state. What I wanted to do. Animancer state. State equals. Jesus, my fucking there. Okay. Why does it still have an issue? This is a performance analyst for method. Good. No need to disable anything here. And then do these state events. Oh, so basically if state events, wait, does he do it in the attack? Yeah, it's in the attack. Like this. Oh, okay, no, say. Okay, why does this not work? Expensive method invocation. Maybe you need to add this to awake instead. Play. I feel like this should be done on awake, but the Animancer state. That may be a better way to do this. Okay, there's like a global event dictionary that you can also use. I don't know about that though. What's a transition asset? What happens if I want something like this? This is not what I thought search would tell me. All right, let me think. This is not what I want. This is kind of what I want. But I don't want to do this because it says here that it's an expensive method. Expensive method invocation. I do not like that. I mean, maybe it's okay because I only do it like every time I press dodge, but if there is a better way to do it, why not, right? And I think the better way to do it might be to create transitions for all the clips. Kind of as too, but kind of. Let me see. I'm kind of confused why there is no events for the directional characters. Mixes, events. You know, there's like sprites. Why is there no? Nope, not what I wanted. This one. There's no event in here. That's not it. What are animation jobs? Platformer game kit. Implementation characters. The player character. Hmm. Hold. Okay, this is not helping me at all. It's interesting though, but not helping me with my problem right now. So and hit on start on enter idle state. Is it like a full sample? Doesn't look like it. And events and transitions. I don't want the transitions. Does he have a wait there? This one is also transitions. Hmm. Alrighty. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. See what happens. So this is kinda the way I started here, but a little bit different. Right. And you have state, event, on animation and doesn't exist. This one. I'll just put it in here for now. Just to show it. And this one says expensive method invocation. Oh, it's still the same one, huh? I guess you can't really. You have to. Okay, let me see. Now we can just do this. Is rolling. Let's pause. I don't need this one down here. Yeah, now it works. Possible issue detecting event callback didn't stop the animation. Animator doesn't handle end events automatically, so the controlling script is responsible for it. Often by playing it different. I mean, we did. I'm just confused why is it like this? The play role. I'm thinking maybe I will do it differently. We can make this a generic method, but I'm kind of confused why this is a problem. What does it say here? Let me just check real quick. Shared state. I'm wondering. Yes, wait a sec. What is it doing here? Shared owner, new. Isn't that kind of ass to do it that way? I'm a little bit confused why this error is being thrown. A warning. But let me just do this real quick. So instead of play role, we call this play. Okay, he doesn't like that. Where's the on end animation? This one. On rolling animation end is rolling false, right? And I want to. Can you add it in here as a delegate? Do you add? How do you add it there? Is it an no, it's not. C#. Set method as a parameter, not set, but to other function. Something like that. I don't know. Action, another F. Just method start. Use action. I guess it's actually kind of weird, but we will try. On and callback. I don't want the equals null. And instead of on rolling animated and, you would do it like this. Does that work? And then you would say like this. That might work. This right now. Yeah, that works. But I still have that error or warning. Right. I also wanted to check if it's possible to load in. I think you can actually. Let me think real quick. Why did I export the animation in its old folder again? I don't think it's necessary. I think you can just use the player sprite, right? Let me test it real quick. I want to see we can save some time. Like this. Then you can do it like this. Idle. Oh no. But basically, it should work, right? Idle down. Oh no, sorry. Idle right. Idle R. Idle L. And then it should be down, right? Oh no. This is idle down for some reason. Okay, this is idle L then. Idle L. Ah, did it work? No. Okay. Let's move. Can I do it like this? No. Move right. Move down. And move L. Let me see. Can you know that's not what I wanted to do? You like. Ah, that's not what I wanted. This one, there's like a find animation. It doesn't work that way. Too bad. Okay. Which was this roll? Just want to see if I can save time extracting animations and space. for saving those animations. If they're just in the A sprite file, then why not use it, right? Move right. No, it's a roll. Sorry, roll right. Roll L. Roll down. Okay, and then next. Run. Run. Run up. Run right. Run L. No, run down. No, it's run. All right. Let's see. Okay, I fucked up something there. Yeah, I fucked up 2 directions there. Okay, rolling is fucked. Yeah. Okay. Works. Okay. That makes it a little bit better. I'm gonna do. I want to do this right now. And I want to clean this up. I don't want to call it roll L or R and instead write it out. So instead of idle R, it's idle right. The hope here is that if I do this, it can actually automatically import these idle left. I don't know if it does it, but I will try it out and see. Move right. Move left. Run right. On left. Roll R right. Roll left. Chop right. Chop left. Slash right. Slash. Pedal up. Move up. Up. Run up. Chop up. Slash up. Stop def. Okay. I'm gonna save this. Let's see if the animation stayed. Would be interesting. Right? No, they're gone. Okay. Then let's try what I wanted to try with the find. How did I do that? Nope. Find animation. How does the find animation work though? Wonder. Idle left. Idle right, sorry. Oh wait, I can just do it here. No. Fuck. Lock this. Then search here for idle right. I was kind of hoping that I can just, right click, find animations, and it works. Okay, this is way easier to do like this way. Okay, and then idle move roll. Run. And then we're done with this little cleanup. All right. Check if everything works again. Works. All right, I'm gonna commit this for now. Make dodging and after animation and is reached. Doesn't feel like Friday today. Right? And let me think very quick. So we can roll, we can run, we can idle in all directions. Oh, what was that? That's interesting. Okay, that's kind of fucked. That's a bug, I think. I think I know why. That might be the issue with this event callback thing. Because the animation state never ends, so, you know. Maybe you should do it differently. Maybe this isn't the right way to do it. Hey, this isn't a player. This is where I... No, I'm not in here right now. This is kind of ass. I mean, I like the way it works, but I don't like that this can happen now. Right? Kind of ass. So as long as you don't start another animation while he's rolling, then the animation will end and he will stop rolling. But if you keep moving, the animation gets prolonged. The rolling animation. I think it has to do with the state. Animensa play clip. I feel like we need to hook into the clips not on the run, but they should be set up beforehand with the end call, basically. Because I feel like this is the wrong way to do it, this state here. Play roll is also should be renamed now. Like play this. Can you do that? Can I just like they don't mind it if I do it like this? Yeah. Wait, maybe is there even a second? Okay. Make method return void. Oh. I just wanted to see if I can maybe call this one, call it like this instead, you know? Should be the same basically, I think. Yeah, it's the same. All right. I kind of like the way it works right now, but it can be made better, so I will take a look into it. I don't think I can make that happen in the next 9 minutes. But I think this is the right way to go. Like, I'll take a look into it, how to do this part differently, because this is an expensive method. And you have that weird bug where if you move while rolling, you keep rolling forever. That's too negative. So I kind of want to invest some time to take a look into how to do this correctly for direction animation sets. And my feeling is I need to hook into the animation set for the rolling, maybe. Like on Awake, basically, if there is a rolling animation set, I will need to for loop through them and give them all an and event. Can you even do that? Let me just, I just want to see something real quick. For each in, let's call it rolling or roads. Sure. I don't think you can do it, you know. No, I will need a for int I equals 0. Yes, like that. And then you have a animation clip. I don't want the Animenser component. Animation clip equals underscore roads dot get 0. Is that how you go through it? Yes. And then clip events. Wait, let me check boundar. On end. Can you just add one? Add event. But this is kind of, I don't want to add the I don't want to add the event at the time, and this isn't what I want. Is it always giving you animation clips? Yes. And is there like a roads events? No. Okay, this is a question I have. How do you hook up the events for direction? Or how do I do it correctly? Maybe I'm doing something. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I'm gonna revert this. Just wanted to look into the variable or into the class, whatever you call it. Oh, save this. I don't know if this is necessary with the return here. I mean, it's nice if you want to use this down here, but I already know that I don't want to use it anymore. There's some cleanup, you know. I'll commit it for now, just so we have the newest version. Clean up code little. That's good enough, I guess. Pushing, it's pushing. So we have now almost every animation except attacking. And the other using tools and stuff. Also, what's missing, we need to control the prefab objects a little bit better through the code. That would be nice. That would be possible. Like display sword, hide sword, stuff like that when you attack. But I think first thing first is play the attack animation in all directions. And then we will see from there. But before that, make the end animation. Make it correct. Not like this. This is buggy and expensive. I don't like it. Alright guys, but this is all for today. My brain is juiced. So I'm gonna stop with the streaming for now. See you guys later.